More than 70% of golf shots happen inside 100 yards, so if you're looking to shave strokes off your scorecard, the right wedge can make all the difference. Whether you play every week or just want more consistency around the greens, finding a wedge that suits your game is key. From spin control to turf interaction, the design of a wedge directly impacts confidence and results. In this video, we're covering 6 of the best golf wedges for 2025, highlighting their key features, performance characteristics, and who each one is best suited for. Number 6. PXG Sugar Daddy III. The PXG Sugar Daddy III isn't your everyday wedge. It's built for players who want precision down to the millimeter. Crafted from triple forged 8620 carbon steel and then 100% milled, every head is shaped to exacting standards for clean turf interaction and consistent spin. It's a wedge that doesn't just look the part, it plays it too. PXG offers this wedge in 3 grind options. The BP grind is best for bump and run specialists or players who like to keep it low and controlled. The C grind adds versatility for creative shot making, especially on open-faced approaches, and the S grind works well for full swings and square setups. Whether you prefer short finish shots or need something more stable on fuller approaches, the Sugar Daddy III gives you room to choose. It also features a progressive center of gravity system, meaning the CG is optimized for each loft. That translates to consistent launch angles and better trajectory control across your entire wedge set. Available in 2 finishes, traditional chrome or the darker, more modern extreme dark, it delivers visual options depending on your preference. On course, it's the soft, forged feel and sharp, controlled spin that really stand out, particularly on half swings and delicate chips. This wedge comes at a premium price, and that positions it more for low to mid-handicap players who prioritize feel, finish, and shot control. But if that's what you're after, the Sugar Daddy III offers one of the most refined wedge experiences available right now. Number 5. Ping S159. Ping's S159 wedge lineup brings versatility front and center. Whether you're hitting full shots into the green or trying to save par with a delicate chip from the fringe, this wedge line is built to give players more control over how they play the short game. Made for 8620 carbon steel, the head offers a solid yet soft feel, thanks in part to an elastomer insert tucked behind the face. It absorbs vibration and adds just enough feedback to keep you connected to your shots. Where this wedge really stands out is in grind selection. With 10 different options available, it's one of the widest ranges on the market. Whether you play steep, shallow, or somewhere in between, there's likely a grind that matches your swing and typical turf conditions. Players who want a more compact look at a dress will also appreciate the slightly smaller profile and the higher lofts. Ping's Micromax groove system adds extra groove volume and tighter spacing. That means more friction and more consistent spin, especially on partial shots and in damp or wet conditions. Combine that with a Hydro Pearl 2.0 finish, which repels moisture and reduces glare, and you've got a wedge that performs across a variety of lies and weather. This wedge fits just about any golfer, from high handicappers who want bounce and forgiveness to lower handicappers dialing in shot shapes and spin rates. If you're looking for playability and fit without compromising on feel, the Ping S159 is hard to overlook. Number 4. Callaway CB12. The Callaway CB12 is designed for golfers who want short game confidence without the penalty for less than perfect contact. It's a game improvement wedge at its core, but it doesn't look clunky or oversized, making it a great fit for players who want help without sacrificing style. At address, it has a slightly larger profile, giving you a bit more surface area to work with, but it still maintains clean lines and a traditional wedge shape that won't turn off mid-handicappers. The cavity-back design helps stabilize off-center strikes, while urethane microspheres inside the head absorb vibration for a softer, more solid feel. One of its biggest strengths is the wider sole paired with moderate bounce. This combination adds forgiveness through the turf and makes it harder to chunk shots, especially from tight lies or soft ground. For players who tend to dig or misjudge contact, this setup is a real confidence booster. The face features Callaway's trusted jaws grooves, which are aggressive and well-spaced to grip the ball on partial shots. It especially shines on 30 to 70-yard pitches, where spin and bite can really affect rollout. This wedge also works well in bunkers and deep rough. The wide sole glides through sand and heavy grass, helping launch the ball out without requiring perfect technique. If you're a mid to high handicapper who wants forgiveness and more consistency around the greens, the Callaway CB12 is a solid choice, lending performance with a shape that still looks good in the bag. Number 3. Callaway Opus SP. Callaway's Opus SP is a new addition built specifically with the better player in mind. Designed with input from tour players, it delivers the precision, feel, and control that advanced golfers look for, without any unnecessary bulk or distractions. It starts with a classic formula: 1025 carbon steel, fully forged for that signature soft feel at impact. Add in a CNC milled face and grooves and you get consistent spin from all lies, whether it's a full swing from the fairway or a short-sided chip with an open face. The head shape is compact and sleek, built to sit square behind the ball and promote confidence in shot making. There's minimal offset, giving it a clean profile at address, and the overall shaping leans more toward a blade-style wedge, something many better players prefer. One standout feature is the higher center of gravity, which is positioned slightly higher on the face. This helps lower the launch and increases spin, especially useful on half swings or knockdown approaches when you're trying to control rollout on fast greens. The Opus SP is also available in a range of sole grinds, including S, T, and W options. Whether you prefer a versatile all-around sole, a narrow low-bounce grind, or a wider setup for softer conditions, there's likely a match for your playing style. It's not built for forgiveness, it's built for precision. If you're a low-handicap golfer or short-game-focused player looking for full control around the greens, the Callaway Opus SP fits that role beautifully. Number 2. TaylorMade MG4. The TaylorMade MG4 builds on one of the most trusted wedge designs in recent years. It's a wedge you'll find in the bags of both tour players and skilled amateurs, and the latest version brings refined details that enhance consistency, feel, and spin control. The standout feature remains the milled sole, machined for precision, so each wedge offers the same turf interaction from club to club. Whether you're hitting from tight fairway lies or heavier rough, the club enters and exits the turf cleanly, giving you more repeatable contact. TaylorMade also introduced raised micro ribs between the grooves. These tiny ridges add surface texture, which helps grab the ball, especially on partial shots. That extra friction adds spin and control where it matters most, like inside 60 yards. The raw face is designed to oxidize over time. That's intentional. The rusted surface creates more friction, especially in wet or damp conditions. It's paired with a TPU insert in the back cavity, which helps fine-tune sound and soften feel without dulling responsiveness. Multiple grind options are available, including standard bounce, low bounce, high bounce, and even a TW grind shaped by Tiger Woods himself. This means players can match the wedge to their swing type, typical turf conditions, or shot preferences. The MG4 works across all lies, fairway, rough, or bunker, and delivers sharp feedback and predictable spin, even when you open the face or manipulate the trajectory. If you're a better player looking for feel and control, especially on touch shots around the green, the MG4 continues to set a high bar. Number 1. TaylorMade MG5. The TaylorMade MG5 takes everything that worked in the MG4 and builds on it. It's one of the most complete wedge options you'll find in 2025, combining tour-level precision with just enough forgiveness to make it playable for a wider range of golfers. Like the MG4, it features a raw face that's designed to rust over time. That surface change is intentional and helps increase friction, especially in damp conditions. Between the grooves, you'll still find raised micro ribs, which add texture for more spin on partial shots. Where the MG5 separates itself is in grind and loft variety. With over 10 different grind and loft combinations, it offers more fitting flexibility than most wedges on the market. Whether you're looking for low bounce to slip under the ball or a wide sole option for extra forgiveness, you'll likely find a match here. It also uses ZTP17 grooves, which are sharper and deeper than previous designs. That helps generate aggressive spin, particularly on full swings and wet lies. The body is made from soft carbon steel, giving it a clean feel and crisp sound at impact. TaylorMade also improved weight distribution across the lofts, helping control launch and spin more consistently across your set. Visually, it leans traditional, classic shaping, a refined top line, and a squared-up leading edge that appeals to both skilled and aspiring players. Compared to the MG4, it's slightly more forgiving on full shots, making it a strong option for mid-handicappers too. If you want tour-grade control with just enough margin for error, the MG5 is an easy pick at the top of the list. That wraps up our list of the top 6 golf wedges for 2025. Whether you're focused on control, forgiveness, or versatility, there's something here for every type of short game. If any of these wedges caught your eye, check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more gear breakdowns. See you in the next one, and good luck out on the course.